and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today we're going to be trying out the brand new Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This one is the botanical eyeshadow palette. I do love a Beauty Bay palette, I must say. They are stunning. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's really pretty. I actually love the colours in this. And then this is the colour story of the palette itself, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Love these kind of really nice earthy tones that we've got here with the pops of purple. The shimmers look stunning. It's a really versatile palette actually. We've got loads of neutrals in here, but then we've got loads of little kind of pops of colour as well. So here are the swatches. These are so nice, really beautiful. I absolutely love these shades. The shimmers, as always, are really shimmering. There's some gorgeous duochromes in here as well. This one really surprised me because it looked gold and then it came off like a bluey purpley champagne duochrome, which is stunning. Yeah. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, so eyes now primed. I'm going to start off, I think, by going into my crease with the green shade, which is Myrtle. So it's this one just here. Really nice pigment to that one. It's a really nice shade of green as well, actually. It's kind of like a bit of a forest green, I would say. Do you know what I think I might actually do is just concentrate this green on the outer part of the crease, and then I'm going to go in with like the kind of pinky one on the inner part. We're going to try it. Yeah, that lays down really nice actually. So then what I'm going to do before I blend that is take sea moss, or shall I take clay? No, I'm going to take clay. So it's this one at the bottom here. It's like a browny pink. Like a clay really, glue's in the name, and I'm going to pop this on the front part, not all the way in but most of it. Oh, it goes into that green really nicely. Yeah, I like them colours together. And now we'll blend. And to do that, so we're going around the edge, I'm going to take the shade June, I think. So it's this one here. Yeah, I am in love with how those shades have gone together. Really nice. They've blended perfectly. And then I am going to take the shade Oak, which is this really nice like chocolatey brown one just here. I'm going to work this one into the outer part of my lid and just here. Yeah, that's really nice. I love that. Right, so shimmer on the inner corner. I'm going to have to go for Waterfall because that one really, really shocked me when I swatched it. So it's this one here, which I said was kind of like the bluey, greeny, goldy sort of one. I've just stuck my nail in it. Oh, it looks so pretty. That is one of the most beautiful shimmers I think I've ever used. I don't know if the light's catching it, but if I turn my head, it kind of goes green, gold, purple, blue. It's like a multi-chrome. It is beautiful. But what I'm going to do right on the inner corner, I just want to brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to dip into Savannah, I think, which is this kind of like rosy gold. It's a bit peachy actually, so this one just here, and just pop a little bit of that just right on the inner part, right in here, like that. It's not a massive difference, but it just adds that little bit of brightness just to that inner part, because this shimmer, although I love it, it is kind of like a little bit more darker than I'd like. And then for the underneath, I'm going to dip into Oak, which was the darker brown, and I'm going to blend that out with a bit of Mushroom, which is this one just here. So just stamping a bit of Oak, because I want this to blend into where I've used it above as well. Yeah, and then switch into Mushroom. And we're gonna use that to kind of blend it out, just so it's not so harsh underneath. So here is the finished look, and I love this palette so much. It is beautiful. Honestly, every time they bring out a palette at Beauty Bay, I'm like, oh, I like this one more, I like this one more. But this one is so versatile, which is what I really like about it. You know, you could do a really simple neutral look with it. You could, you know, do something a little bit more like this. You could do something really glam with it and go really all out with the shimmer. It is amazing. It is such a beautiful palette, and the shades, they just blend together so beautifully. I can never get over the formula of Beauty Bay for the price of the palettes, and the shimmers are just stunning. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!